Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to do split screen on Windows 11 using the built-in snap feature. It's fast, easy and great for multitasking. So let's get started. So firstly open your apps. Like I want opening the browser. Now use the maximize button. Now move your mouse over the maximize button. Top right corner. Here you will see different split screen layout here like 2 3 by 2 4 etc. Now choose a layout, click on the layout you want, like I want only two layouts. Here you will see your split screen will be successfully. Now resize windows, you can drag the divider button between app to make windows bigger or smaller, like this. Excel is smaller and Google is bigger also. Now Excel is big and Google is smaller. And that's it. This is how you can easily do split screen on Windows 11 for better multitasking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.